Kailangan daw ng malaking puhunan para makapagsimula ng negosyo. It really depends of what kind of business that you're getting yourself into. If restaurant yan, if manufacturing yan, then definitely you need to have capitalization na malaki in order for you to start your business. Pero meron din namang mga businesses out there na hindi mo talaga kailangan ng capital, or kung meron man sobrang liit na capital ang kailangan mo in order for you to start. A very good example of that is a service business. You have to ask yourself, ano ba ang kakayahan mo? Ano ba ang pwede mong i-provide sa market in order for you to generate money? Kung accounting graduate ka, then marunong ka mag-accounting, then you can offer your accounting services. Yung totoong reason bakit mag-succeed ang negosyo mo, hindi kasi dahil sa capital. It's really because of your capacity as a business person. Kaya nga, palagi ko sinasabi, yung pag-asenso ng negosyo mo ay hindi nakasalalay sa negosyo. Rather, nakasalalay yan sa negosyante. Kung magaling ka talaga na negosyante, kaya mong palaguin yung negosyo mo. Pero kung kahit na maganda yung negosyo mo, pero hindi magaling yung negosyante, yung negosyo na yan ay malugi. Kasi kung wala kang puhunan, pero magaling ka talaga na negosyante, pwede kang lumapit sa mga kaibigan mo, kapamilya mo, na may financial capacity, present your business plan, and they may be willing to invest. But the reason why they are investing, not just because of the business that you are thinking about, but it's also because ikaw ang negosyante. They are buying into you before they are buying into your business. So that being said, ano bang gusto mong negosyo? Lagay mo sa comment section.